My next question is to Mr. Ajitkumar Nair, Director, ProArc Welding and Cutting System. Sir, our government push Make in India targets 25% GDP from manufacturing. So how this Make in India will help India to becoming global leader?
The Indian government actually has been quite vocal about its focus on manufacturing and how we want to be a manufacturing superpower. Definitely a lot of right steps have been taken in that direction. I would say that right now we are somewhere close to 15% of the, the contribution of manufacturing is somewhere close to 15-16%. And over the next 5-6 years, the goal or the national goal is to be 25% of the contribution to the GDP. It definitely is a steep expectation. But today where we are right now in terms of at the space at which the Indian manufacturers are or the way manufacturing is going on in India, there's definitely a good, I think that 5, 6, 7 years, that expectation which is there, we should be somewhere close to that. And a lot, I would say, is because of the investments that are getting into some of the major, like infrastructure we've been seeing over the last 10-15 years. There's been a lot of push for infrastructure, but also be it shipbuilding, railways, like Mr. Ranjan said, railways also we see a lot of progress happening there, a lot of modernization happening. So RDS also have the mandate for high-end machines from the manufacturers. So all the fabricators for girders and all those things have certain machines that the RDSO mandates them to have. Apart from which you have the shipbuilding, you talk about shipbuilding or power. So a lot of, in all these industries, you see a lot of investment happening there. And even like we are into a space where we manufacture plasma laser cutting machines. I see where 10 years back we were majorly catering to the domestic requirement. That has changed. So over the last decade, we see a lot of requirements, not only in maybe the Southeast Asia or African countries, but I see a lot of players within our field who export to US, Europe. So that is also growing. So also with this China plus one policy. So that is one thing I think which is really positioning India in a way where people want an alternative to China. And there when we have a great opportunity, and mostly in terms of manufacturing, where we can actually make up because of this expectation that is there.